Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Nano Banana in Google AI Studio, one of Google's newest experimental models designed for fast, lightweight AI tasks. Nano Banana is part of Google's Nano series, which focuses on compact yet powerful AI models that run efficiently, making them great for quick testing, small-scale projects, or early-stage idea generation. To get started, open Google AI Studio in your browser. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of available models. In the search bar at the top, type Nano Banana. This will bring up the model options, such as Nano Banana-1.0 Preview or similar versions depending on availability. Select the model to open the interface where you can start prompting. Now, this model is built for fast reasoning, text generation, and lightweight AI tasks. It's not as resource-intensive as Google's larger Gemini or VO models, but it's ideal for creating quick outputs like summaries, explanations, creative snippets, or even test code. I'm using this prompt for example. Create a short motivational quote about never giving up, written in an inspiring tone. After typing your prompt, click Run or Generate, and Nano Banana will process your request instantly. Because it's optimized for speed, you'll usually get your output in just a few seconds. You can refine your results by adjusting the temperature setting for more creativity or max tokens if you want a longer or shorter response. Experiment with different prompts and styles. Nano Banana responds best to concise, clear instructions, but can also handle creative conversational requests. One cool feature is that you can use the History tab in Google AI Studio to revisit your previous prompts and compare responses, making it easy to fine-tune your ideas. Once you're happy with the output, you can copy it, export it, or integrate it into your content or app prototype. Overall, Google AI Nano Banana is perfect if you want quick, efficient AI responses without the heavy processing time of larger models. It's lightweight, reliable, and fun to experiment with. A great tool for creators, developers, and AI enthusiasts alike. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.